Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add glass skin to RH Dance Studio. So this is the before, I'll just show it to you now. Make sure you're the admin to create a private server. It's free, don't worry. You're just going to type in B tools like this. And then you have the building tools. If you can't select your avatar like that, you can just select the explorer. Or you can select the avatar, but I'll just use the explorer, and I'm going to select my name. Then I'm going to select the settings, the gear icon here, and as you can see, there's this material tool. Whoops. And then I'll just put it on the right. Currently the material is sand, so I'm just going to, let me select this first still. Okay, so you're going to select material and you're going to select glass instead, and that's it. As you can see, it creates this glass effect. It shows on the hair the most, as you can tell, but that's pretty much it really. It's that simple. That's how you can add glass skin on RH Dance Studio. When you're done, you're just going to press 4 again. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!